guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. I'm in such a good mood. So today's video, it's about how to take care of your contact lens. So for those that do not know, I sell contact lens and eyelashes. So the contact lens on my eyes right now is going to be in the description box. The lashes, this is in the style called Nengi. So please, if you're interested, go check out the website and click the buy button, add to cart and shop and support your girl. So I've also done a video on how to style my hair, how I style my curly hair. It's going to be up there. Click on the eye, it looks like an eye information sign. Click on it and you see the video. I also did a video on this look and I was about to go eat and I was just like, you know what, let me just film a video on how to take care of your contact lens, because I've been asked a couple of times and it's the best way to just show everybody that's about to purchase from my website or had already ordered from my website how to take care of their contact lens. And I also have a video on how to put it on. So I have everything you need, all the tools you need on how to put it on and how to take it off. Those videos are going to be on my description box. Please guys, take note of everything I'm saying so you don't get confused. Everything is going to be in my description box. Moving on, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do give this video a like button. When you're subscribing to my channel, you see a bell button by the side. Please click on it and there'll be options for you to choose from on how often you want to get notifications from my channel. Yeah, occasionally, never, and always. Please click on whatever option you feel best suits you. So moving on, this is what the contact lens look like. This is the applicator kit I give to people that order from my website. There are different colors. There's a purple and there's a pink as well. So this is what they look like, and these are the tiny. I'll just open it up to show for people that have not yet placed an order from my website. So these are what the applicators look like. These are for people that do not want to make use of their hand to place the contact lens. So how do I take care of my contact lens? This step is really easy. All you need to do is get a contact lens care from your Shoppers Drug Mart or Walmart or any location that sells things like this. It's very easy to find. If you could not find it yourself, just ask someone that works in the counter that you're looking for contact lens solution. They're called solution. There are directions on the bottle on how to go about it. I will just read out the directions to be clear and precise on how to go about it. Put 3 drops of this solution in here with the lens inside. Rub around it like move the contact lens inside the case side by side, just like to clean it out first. Then take out the contact lens, throw away the water, put it back and put the solution again. I will say this one more time. So your contact lens case looks like this. There's a contact lens inside. You put the solution inside the contact lens, you rinse it off and put a new solution inside and put the contact lens inside. And that's all. Literally, those are all the steps. So you soak this contact lens for about 4 hours or more. The contact lens I sell are to be used only 2 months. The manufacturers told me it could be used for 1 year, but I would not advise someone to have the same contact lens for 1 year because these contact lenses are super cheap compared to the medicated ones. So why don't you just be safe? So from my research, the reason behind this is because when you use contact lens, it produces a lot of protein because of the liquid, the ingredients they use to make the contact lens. So those protein, if you put on contact lens for at least 10 hours to 12 hours, it forms a little bit of pus on your eyes. That does not mean your eyes are infected. It's just because of your eye liquid and the contact lens liquid together, it produces a lot of protein in the eye, which causes the pus. So making use of this to preserve the contact lens reduces the protein that your eye had given to the contact lens, which makes it cleaner and clearer for you to use all the time. So this is the reason I found online. If you have any other reason you know why people need contact lens, put in the comment section what you think. Moving on, another reason we need contact lens is because it preserves the softness of the contact lens. So when I first started putting on contact lens, I just used to make use of it one time and I just forget about it, and I realized that I'll put it into the same liquid I got it from and it will dry up and it will crack. You should you should never place your contact lens close to a window. Do not ever place it close to a window. Please put it in a normal room temperature, but not close to a window where sunlight rays pierces through. That will dry off your contact lens, even with solution or without solution. Or if, for instance, you have any eye irritation, I've never gotten any eye allergy for putting on my contact lens, but I bought this one just for demonstration sake. This is all my contact lens solution is from the brand called Life brand. But if for any reasons your eyes turn red, or maybe you tried it on for too long and you finally got it through, do not panic. Just take this, buy something like this. It's called allergy eye drops, and let me see if there's a description on how to make use of it. This eye drops helps to relieve redness of the eye. So just put it on your eyes after taking out the contact lens, and that's all. So for those of you that are super scared about contact, let me just tell you guys, I feel like there's so many stories, especially in the Nigerian home, about how your eyes will be damaged or be a hole in your eye you will never be able to see in your life. That is a lie. If you watch videos like my own, and if you take care of your eyes and you have good eyesight, not if you put on glasses or you already have an eye condition, I wouldn't advise you to put on the colored contact lens, because these are all for fashion, but everything else is good and Gucci. And thank you guys for watching my video. Love you all, and see you guys in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe. Look into the description box for all the links I said earlier on. Click the bell button, support your girl. See you guys in my next video, and click to watch any of this video right here. Love you all, and bye. Kisses.